Thinking of launching a YouTube channel in 2026? It's easier than you think. All you need to do is create a channel, film a video, and upload it. Just like that, you're officially on YouTube this year. Sounds simple, right? Before we dive in, let's address the big question on everyone's mind. Is starting a YouTube channel in 2026 still worth it? Absolutely, yes. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Here are the key steps to make your YouTube journey exciting and set you up for long-term success. Step 1. Understand your why. Take a moment right now and ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026? Is it to share your personal experiences, grow your business, educate others, or finally break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and generate income? There are countless motivations, so take time to clearly identify yours. This why will keep you going when things get tough. Step 2. Choose your niche. Next, decide what type of content you want to create. A great way to start is by researching what's already working on YouTube. Look at trending videos in your niche, study successful channels, and pay attention to how they hook viewers at the beginning, structure their videos, and handle production quality. Find a topic you're genuinely passionate about. That's the secret to staying consistent. Step 3. Set up your channel. Now that you have a clear idea of your niche and style, it's time to create your channel. It's super straightforward. Click on Create a Channel. Choose a name that represents you, but isn't too complicated. Design a clean and visually appealing profile picture and banner. Tools like Canva make this easy. Write a compelling channel description with relevant keywords to help people find you. Finally, verify your phone number to unlock all of YouTube's features. At this point, your channel is officially ready. There are more advanced settings you can tweak later, but we'll cover those in another video. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me create more content like this for you. Step 4. Start creating content. Once your research is done, it's time to start making videos. Don't overthink it, just begin. Focus on producing the best content you can. Make videos, then make more videos, and then even more. In the beginning, expect little to no views. You might feel frustrated, and that's completely normal. Every successful YouTuber went through the exact same phase. But here's the truth. If you keep showing up, keep improving, and stay consistent, you will get better. Your content will improve, your confidence will grow, and the results will start to show. Working on something you're truly passionate about while continuously leveling up is one of the most fulfilling experiences out there. And who knows, one day brands might reach out for sponsorships, and you could start earning real income from YouTube. That's how you start your YouTube journey in 2026. Now, if you're curious about how much YouTube actually pays for 1,000 views in 2026, check out my next video where I break it down with real numbers. See you there!